Hi, I'm your vehicle's well-wisher and engine's protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your two-wheeler shiny with Magsol Insta Polish. Between regular washes and full detailing, two-wheelers quickly lose their shine due to dust, fingerprints, water spots, and daily handling, especially on frequently touched surfaces. Make sure the two-wheeler is secure on the stand. Ensure the surface is clean and dry to use. Use the sponge directly on paint or exterior surfaces. Apply light, even pressure. Wipe with a microfiber cloth if required. Surfaces immediately look cleaner, shiner, and more presentable. Ideal for quick touch-ups that make the two-wheeler look freshly detailed. Perfect for quick maintenance between full polishing sessions.